Wesley billion dollar virgin. Hey, with another video, what I'm going to show you, it's a brand new website. And guess what? You don't have to upload any YouTube videos. You don't need a social media following. And I'm going to show you what I've been doing in the last couple of weeks here. It's a new website here that allows you, a brand new person on the internet, never made any money, to make money online without spending a dime. Listen, this is going to be the fastest, quickest video that you've ever seen as it relates to making money online for free without a social media following. You don't need YouTube. All you need to be able to have a laptop, you can have your iPhone, Galaxy phone, and have a bed to lay in butt naked. And I promise you, you'll make money if you follow and listen to every word that you hear in the video, because it's going to be step-by-step instructions. Hey guys, go ahead and give me a sub and listen. Always don't smash the like button unless I give you massive value. I pride myself. I do the research for you guys. I go out there to find other ways. I make money first, and then I share with you. And listen, this is not meant for you to make a multi-million-dollar type of income here, okay? It's not meant for you to buy a brand new Lamborghini or a plane. What it's meant to do is to bring in a couple of extra $1,000, right, in your bank account while you're understanding how to make money online. So listen close and let me show you what you have to do. Okay, so the site is basically called Selix.com. So go ahead and write that down. Listen, write it down. Selix.com is basically people, and listen, you don't have to get a free trial. I'm just showing you what you're going to do step by step to make money online very easily using this website. So Selix is basically people that want to start an Amazon business, right? And they want to make a bunch of money. So this is kind of an all-in-one tool to help people who are on Amazon to make a lot of money. And you can see a lot of companies use these guys. A lot of big hitters, they use this site as well to be able to make money, all-in-one solution to make money on Amazon. But listen, we're not going to get a free trial. We're not going to buy this. What we want to do is make money, right, without spending money. So listen, this is what you're going to do. Scroll down. See that? Go down where it says affiliate program here. Click on that. And what you're going to do is you're going to sign up for the affiliate program. Really easy here. And I'm going to show you how simple this is. And the great thing about these guys, it's a monthly program. And you have hundreds of thousands of people that come to the site and they get involved with this. But I'm going to show you how to get paid. Listen. Write this down. Never do anything online or recommend anything online unless you're getting paid in the process. So what you're going to do is basically understand you get 15% lifetime commissions here. And listen, the work that you're going to see in the sites that I'm going to show you, it takes about 5 minutes to do. And the great thing about it, once you do it one time, everything works on autopilot. So you can see a lot of money in your Selix account. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go to sign up here. Boom, click that button here. And just basically sign up, first name, last name, business email, create password, and you're done. And the great thing about these guys is they pay you through PayPal. And they have a tier 1 and tier 2. Which means is once you get 10 sales, they're going to bump you up to 25%. So think about it like this. Say if you're doing $1,000 a day, which is very simple to do, by the way, then I'm going to show you 25% of 1,000 is $250 every single day that's just coming into your bank account. So a lot of people are doing this. It's kind of new, but a lot of my big guys that do this Amazon stuff, this is what they do, this technique. So I took it from them and now I'm giving it to you. Appreciate it for hitting the like button. Let's go. So yeah, they pay in PayPal. They're really cool and they pay on time. They pay real quickly here. Now, let me show you basically how to utilize this to make the money. What you're going to do is you're going to create a doc like this, okay? Because understand something about online marketing, affiliate marketing. What we want to do is give people value first. That's how I've made millions of dollars online. Listen, like me, Wesley Virgin, I've made so much money now because I'm smart. I dropped out of college, right? Hell, I mean, college wasn't for me. But what I've learned online to make a lot of money is you have to give people value first. Don't just take a link like this and say, hey, buy my stuff. buy Selix. No. What you do is give value first. So you see this right here? This is my personal doc that I use today to promote this stuff, right? And I make a couple of $1,000s a month. It's just extra income, right? So look, what I'm going to do is, you see this right here, 5 ways to increase sales on Amazon here. And I'm giving them value here, okay? I wrote out this doc here. And then at the bottom, I insert the affiliate link. And what I'm going to do for you, if you promise to show me some love and smash that like button, baby, I'm going to give you this doc in the description below. I'm going to give you this doc so you don't have to write it up. You don't have to spend any time, so you can start making money right now, okay? So look, this doc is what you're going to give people, and I'm going to show you a site that, man, this is a powerful site, and it's free, but it's not Facebook, it's not Instagram. It's something that a lot of people just don't know about, but it's a ton of people that will buy, and like sites like this, you can make a ton of money because you have billions of people that go to the site every single day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this doc here in below under this video. As long as you smash the like button, just show me some love because I did it for you. I'm going to give you the same doc that I use on this website that I'm about to show you that I make a ton of money. It is reddit.com. How many of you know about Reddit? Hit the like button if you ever heard of reddit.com. Now, listen, reddit.com has billions of people every single day. It's like this huge blog, huge forum, right? And what you do is, this is what you want to do, okay? Now listen, don't do this. Don't type in and try to add your affiliate link from Selix. This is what you want to do. Type in Amazon seller, okay? First, get your free account. It's free to get. This is my account right here. So you want to get your account right here. Can everybody see this? Hit the like button if you can see this, guys. And also, let me know in the comments below where you guys calling from, because I want to make sure that I'm creating videos based off your state, province, country around the world to make sure everybody gets value and everybody right now can start making money, okay? Now look, you see this Amazon seller? These are Amazon sellers, 15,000 people. Join it, okay? Just hit the word join. See how easy that is? Fulfillment by Amazon, 65,000 people. Join it. So what you want to do is join all these groups, and then once you join all these communities here, you want to give them value by saying, hey, I have 5 ways to increase sales on Amazon, and so I want to give it away for free. Think about it. If you have 15, now I want you to think for a second. If you have 15,000 people, okay? Let's do the math here. And just say, out of 15,000, 1,000 people, say, you know what? Let me check it out. Boom. They download it. They read it. Okay. And the funny thing, this is what everybody on the internet does every day. Like when you read articles like on Yahoo and Google.com and Google News, there's always some links. When you click those links are recorded, which means is if you make a sale or you buy something, people are making a commission, but I want you to make the commission. So the person will read this article, boom, they click on your affiliate link. It goes to my guy over here with Selix here, and they pay you. And look at this. Let me show you something with Selix here. Okay? Now, I was going to show you the free trial here. But see, the thing is, if you have so many people that are signing up, and the great thing about it, all you're doing is giving value. I want you to come at these words below. Service leads to greatness, which means is the more value that you give people online, just give them the free doc that Wesley Virgin created for you. Put your affiliate link right here, right? Boom, boom, boom. And then just join all these Amazon communities, people that want to make money on Amazon. And you can have fun here. And listen, it's up to you on how much money you want to make. Because you might say, well, Wesley, how much money can I make? Listen, you can make as much money as humanly possible. Look at it, Amazon Seller Tools. Okay, let's go home here. Oh, that sub is closed. Amazon. Make sure you're paying attention to this. Look at this, Amazon Tools. Okay, look at that, Amazon Tools, 512. Tools, 172,000 people. So what I'm saying is so many communities that you can join for free. And all you need to do is say, hey, guys, I got something free. I'm new to the group, but I want to give value first. Listen, this is what you say. I want to give value first. So here's the doc, 5 ways to increase sales on Amazon. A lot of people who do Amazon marketing, they say this is a valuable doc and it works fast. And that's it. Now, say if you have out of 172,000, 15,000 people download it. Out of 15,000 people, how many people do you think is going to sign up? This is why people are making thousands and thousands of dollars, some even per day, on the freaking Selix. So the thing is, can you imagine yourself right now getting a Selix account for free, right? Getting an advertisement affiliate account for free, scrolling down, right? Clicking on the affiliate program, signing up for free, downloading, going to my description under this video on YouTube here. I know you guys say, I love Wesley Virgin. He just give all the value for free. I do. That's why I asked you guys to show me some love, because I love you. You know what I mean? Listen, you download this now. You take this, put this on your computer, right? Or on your iPhone. Make sure you put your affiliate link right here from Selix, right? And just go to Reddit, create a free account. Like, listen, can you just imagine? This is easy. This is so simple to do, right? And then just go to every community that has the word Amazon, Amazon seller, Amazon tools, whatever. Join all the groups and reach out to people and just give value. The value is the doc, and keep doing it over and over again. Why? Because you have billions of people every day that go to Reddit.com. How many of you right now, comment below if you can do this? If you got massive value and you're actually going to do this, you're not going to be a lazy person and not take action. Go ahead and hit the like button if I gave you massive value. Now listen, let me show you another way. This is how you make millions, okay? This is not to make millions of dollars. This is to make a couple of extra $1,000 a month. If you want to make millions of dollars on the internet, the way to do it is to create a product. 5 to 6 years ago, I was broke, okay? I had no money. But I wanted to change my world, okay? I wasn't this guy. I wasn't known as the #1 motivational speaker on the planet. I didn't have all the fancy cars at that time. I was sleeping on an air mattress, but I had a dream. And what I did is I started to create products online. Listen, I didn't know what I was doing. It took me 7 years to figure this out. And let me tell you why. Because I didn't have any help. I didn't have someone like myself to walk me step by step to create a product that would eventually make me $30 million. It's a digital product. Listen, what if it was a way that I can show you how to create a digital product online, step by step, take out all the BS, just tell you exactly what you got to do, walk you hand by hand, step by step to create your first product. And once you're done, look here, once you finish with your product here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to email your product to my list. I'm going to email your product. Like once you go to that link, you get it, right? You say, you know, Wes, I need some online help. I'm going to email your product to my email list, which means is my list makes about $10,000 to $20,000 per day when I email my list. I have over 200,000 people. That's a $5,000 to $10,000 payday for you immediately. So it's up to you. Okay, it's up to you how fast you want to make money. This is just another way if you want to create products. That's what I do. I create digital products, and I teach people like you that know nothing from scratch. Listen, the program and what you're going to see in the online help, once you click that link or go there, this is the most easiest, simplest way to make money online without the BS. Okay, it's just step by step. I tell you basically how to create the product, how to find the product, how to design the product, where to go to design it, what developer you use to create the website, and how to get the traffic. And it's that simple. As a matter of fact, for everybody that goes here, what I do every single month with people that click here and move forward with this, I'm going to give you an affiliate list that's going to help you promote the product. So you're going to lay on the beach and do nothing. That's what I do, okay? Listen, internet marketing is real. If you want that, go right here. Hey, guys, thank you so much. I love you so much. Under this video, go ahead and get the link so you can download this immediately. If I deserve a like, smash the like button. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go, yeah!